Hello, kia ora, welcome to Molly Makes. Today we are going to be making mini fabric bows.
Okay, now I'm making these on a sewing machine, but you can hand sew these. So you will need a hair clip. You can use a bobby pin or any other type of clip you have, but I'm using an alligator clip. This one is 2 inches long. And for the fabric, I'm using a lycra, a stretchy fabric. It just makes it easier, but you can use any type of fabric you prefer. Now this piece is 2 inches down and 1 inch across, and this piece is 5 inches down and 4.5 inches across. Right, now we're going to start off with the smaller piece and we are going to fold it in half along the 2-inch side. Right, now I'm going to sew along there, and normally I'd use green thread, but I've used white thread today just so you can see where my stitches are. Right, now I'm going to put it in the right way. And then we're going to fold it in half again. And I'm going to sew along there. Now it will look like this. So now we're going to put that aside, and we're going to do the same thing with this piece. Fold it in half along the long side, making sure it's lined up nicely, and we're going to sew along there. And now we're going to turn that in the right way. And fold it in half. And we're going to sew along there. Now fold it out and fold it flat with the seam up. Now we're going to get this side and we're going to scrumple it up a little bit, and we're going to get this little bit and we're going to try and poke it through that hole. This is where it gets really hard if you haven't used a stretchy fabric. This bit's really hard, but it's a lot easier with the stretchy stuff. Just make sure both your seams are on this side. Pull it through till it's in the middle, Then get your alligator clip and poke your alligator clip through there to us, like that. And then it's ready to clip into your hair.
Thanks for watching. Please just let me know in the comments below if there's anything else you'd like to see me make. Oh, yeah, Milo. You got no hair.